camp in Arizona desert during the winter months. And during the winter months, the sun is low in the sky. It's in the south and low in the sky. So this rig must be parked pointing east, and the panels must be raised to point directly at the sun. That means somebody has to climb up here, and somebody has to set these panels up, and when it's time to move, somebody has to climb up here again and take the panels down. If you don't do this, leaving the panels flat, like this one panel that was installed by the factory, you will get only 20 to 30% of what these panels are capable of generating. Solar panels can be left flat during the summer months because the sun's going to be directly overhead. You have to understand that these panels will charge the RV batteries, and that's all. So whatever your batteries will power inside your rig, that's what solar will do for you. To get 800 watts out of my panels, they have to be pointed directly at the sun with no interference such as clouds, no excess draw from anything that happens to be on inside the RV, whether it's DC or AC. Solar panels produce a DC current, and that DC current, the biggest mistake that is made when installing solar panels is not having a large enough wire leading from the solar panels to the charge controller, and then from the charge controller onto the batteries. Having said that, I get a full charge usually by 1:30 in the afternoon. And by full charge, that means the batteries simply will not accept any more charge, and that's controlled by the charge controller. You are going to need to know what is consuming the power inside your RV. You have a direct current going to your lights, you're going to your water pump, going to your furnace, anything that is drawing the power directly from the batteries. When you're talking about lights, LED lights consume only 1/10 the power that an incandescent light consumes. This is the battery bank on Gary's RV. This is 4 6-volt batteries, and this is exactly what I used to use before I had my current RV. This was enough power storage for my RV before I got a residential refrigerator. Now I use 6 AGM batteries, and the reason why I chose AGM was they were 1/3 the cost of lithium-ion batteries. The 6 AGM batteries cost me about $2,200. The lithium-ion batteries would have cost me at least 3 times that much. The other situation was that these batteries are very difficult to get to. They are not easy access. Now, in this next frame, you'll see the charge controller. This charge controller I control using Bluetooth. It's my first time to have a Bluetooth charge controller. The charge controller regulates the power from the panels to the batteries. You can see here the sun is currently off center, so I'm getting 660 watts from my panels. I once had lots of interior gauges showing the condition of my charging system. Now I have just this one gauge that shows the condition of the batteries and any AC draw on the system. The battery's DC current is sent to an inverter, which converts DC to an AC current. Anything that is plugged into an AC outlet in the rig, as well as the microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, are all on an AC current. Your batteries do not have enough power to run an air conditioning or a microwave